Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. Hyundai's IONIQ N models bring electrified performance to the road and track. And as part of the experience, you can adjust many of the performance settings of your IONIQ N. Before changing settings, be certain to go through the complete N tutorial in your vehicle by selecting N mode, then the menu icon, and then tutorial. N launch control helps enable quick acceleration when launching from a standing start. It can only be activated when the motor mode is set to Sport Plus and electronic stability control is set to Sport or off. And it cannot be activated if any of the following functions or settings are active: N Grin Boost or N E-Shift. Before activating N launch control, you should be sure to set the system to the estimated grip of the road. This will help ensure the optimum launch. Go to N Menus and then select Performance Options. Select N Launch Control. Adjust the grip level to low, medium, or high. Then, if you're ready to use the system, select Activate. Next, select Drive. Press the brake pedal firmly to the floor with the left foot and quickly press the accelerator to the floor with the right foot. The ready message should appear in the cluster. Then, within 8 seconds, release the brake pedal while holding the accelerator to the floor. The system will continue accelerating until you release the accelerator pedal. After using launch control, you must wait 2 minutes before using again. This is to allow cooling of the battery and motor. And you can reactivate it quickly from the N menu screen or add it to either N button. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using N launch control. N launch control should only be used on a dedicated racetrack with a dry surface. Do not use N launch control during the break-in period of the vehicle. Frequent use of N launch control will put enormous stress on the vehicle and will result in premature wear of components used by the system. Finally, it is recommended to use N battery preconditioning's drag mode to optimize the battery temperature before using N launch control. See the N battery preconditioning video for more information on this feature. For more information on the features of your IONIQ N, be sure to consult your owner's manual available at My Hyundai or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to watch all the IONIQ N videos on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai. You're going to want to know everything about these special vehicles. They're a lot of fun.